Alright guys, welcome to another video. This is the 2020 Civic Type R with the PRL Stage 1 intake. Where is the Stage 1 intake? What it's all about? This is the PRL Stage 1 intake, which basically consists of this hose right here, and inside there's a high flow filter. In addition, also the Type R has this Blitz front strut bar, and you can see that goes across from one end to the other. Everything else is a stock on this car basically. In addition, it has a spoon right there, spoon radiator cap. Well, most of the cars, the radiators are here, but that's where the radiator cap goes, all the way over there, right there. All right, this is the 2020 Civic Type R, championship white. As you can see, I changed the tires and the wheels. These are the Yokohama wheels, Advance, the RZ F2s mixed with the Yokohama Apex tires. It's basically 18 by 9.5, 45 offset. I didn't want it any lower offset because I didn't want to have any issues with robbing. So this is the tire setup. You can see Advan Apex. Yep. Quick walk around the car. Nothing much done to it. We have the front strut bar. We have the spoon radiator cap. This one has a reservoir. This is the PRL Stage 1 intake, which basically consists of this hose right here and the high flow filter inside. This is just stock box, but that's its job. There we go here. Different angle for the tire and wheel setup. Also, I have the as you can see, I have the HKS exhaust in this one. Here's a nice side view of the Type R. These are the Yokohama wheels, which I waited almost a year from Japan, but hey, it's worth it. A good sample of the PRL Stage 1. This is how it sounds like. Not bad, was it? I think it sounds great. For what I need, it's perfect. Here's an example of the HKS Legamax Exhaust for the Type R. Enjoy. Hopefully you guys like it. before I forget, the car is lowered on Swift springs, just to let you know. All right. Just gonna move the car a little bit backwards and forwards so you can see the wheel and tire package on the car with the Swift springs as well. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.